All right, now that I got a clipping path already in place and my phone shut down again, stop. We're going to start with the next section. So this is a cropping tool and clipping path tool here. We're not going to worry about that. We're going to go all the way down to the brushes. And a lot of these have similarities. This is a pen tool. This is a brush tool. So we got brush. Here you have your size, 40. If you click on it and there's lag time, you can change the softness. So this shows you kind of what's going to look like. So if I want to increase the softness, it's like that feathering that we had earlier. It's going to get it, feathery. All right. You can choose hard where it's just straight color. All right. Size, you can change the diameter. All right. So if you need to color large surfaces, there you go. Smaller surfaces, you can go further down. I don't know what step is, but it makes it into dotted lines. How cute and quaint. So we don't want to step on this. You can choose different brush sizes like you see here. All right. And of course, it has a step to it. I assume you could probably, see. You can change the diameter of the inside. Same thing, you got squares here. You can manipulate that if you wanted to. I would assume that we can get the slant, so it can be like a calligraphic pen. It's wonderful. Like this one's already like a calligraphic pen. Look at that baby. There we go. So you have different options of what you can do and manipulate. You can create your own brushes. All right, so we're just going to leave it and go. Let's just use the block. Let's use the 20 block. 20 block is pretty good. All right, it's hard block area. You can see the jagged lines. It's not too smooth. I want to smooth it out a little bit, so I'm going to add some softness to it. Smooth that baby out just a little bit. Let's give it a little bit of more precise. And we're going to take the step and we're just going to put that to 0. All right. All right, we're not going to manipulate this anyway. We don't need to. That's the brushes that we're going to pick. Now, here we have opacity. Opacity means how opaque something is. Duh. But what is opaque? Okay. Opaque is like you can't see through it. Right? Transparent, you can see through it. It's like glass. Put enough paint on that glass, can you see through it? No. That would be opaque. So we can decide how opaque we want this. We can change the opacity. I'm trying to hit, it's right here. We can move that down and up, and then the color will get more transparent. Okay? We can have a hard tip. You really not going to need to know that one. The brush size, so forth. Here are the colors. We got 2 wonderful colors, white and white. You got your color picker here. You can move up and down. This is the preloaded stuff. Boom, clicks right to it. Boom, clicks right to it. You can change these if you want to. I'll pick the color for you. And if you know the actual color hex, like Pantone, you can do that too. I'm going on 4 minutes rope. Better hurry up. So since we got this selected, what is selected will be colored and it won't touch anything else. Watch. See? It's not going over black. It's not getting anything over here. Look where I'm going. That's another way you can use select tools, right? You can select so that you don't make a boo-boo and accidentally overpaint. Like I got it all over his face, but it's not painting his face. So it's only going to paint what is selected. You can do these with any of the tools of the select tools, and that is one trick you can use. So I am going to end this video. I hope it was entertaining and you enjoyed.